Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to accept money on Facebook Messenger. To begin, you'll need to set up MetaPay, formerly known as Facebook Pay, which is the integrated payment system. This allows for secure, peer-to-peer money transfers directly within your Messenger conversations. You'll link a valid debit card or PayPal account to your MetaPay profile, ensuring your account is ready for personal transactions. 1-2-14. When someone sends you money through Messenger, you will receive an immediate notification. The funds are transferred instantly to your linked debit card or PayPal account. While the transfer is immediate, it may take 1 to 3 business days for the money to become available in your bank account, depending on your financial institution's processing times. There are typically no transaction fees for personal transfers. 2, 4, 5, 6, 14. To link your payment method, open Messenger, tap your profile picture, and navigate to Account Settings, then MetaPay. Here, you can add a valid Visa or MasterCard debit card or connect your PayPal account. Remember, credit cards are generally not accepted for direct person-to-person money transfers. This setup ensures your funds are securely routed to your chosen financial account. 1, 2, 7, 11, 15. Keep in mind that there are transaction limits, generally around $9,999 per transaction or per month, though this can vary slightly by card type. For added security, always set up a PIN or enable biometric authentication for your MetaPay account. Regularly review your transaction history within MetaPay to track all incoming and outgoing funds, ensuring a safe and smooth experience. 6, 8, 10, 13, 14.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.